Did you know that millions of people earn money online every single day, but most never figure out how? What if I told you it's possible to start earning online in just 30 days using only 5 skills? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you. In this video, I'm challenging myself to make real money online in the next 30 days. No shortcuts, no hype, just skills that are actually in demand. This isn't about getting rich overnight, it's about learning skills that pay. A lot of people think making money online is easy. They'll tell you to just post a few videos, write one blog post, or upload some content and wait for the money to roll in. But honestly, that's a lie. The truth is, most people fail because they don't have valuable skills. They jump in without any direction, get no results, and then they quit, feeling frustrated. Online income isn't magic. It's not some big secret. It's completely skill-based. And once you understand that, everything changes. You stop looking for quick fixes and start building a real foundation for success. So what are these skills? Let's break down the 5 that really pay. First, digital marketing. Skills like SEO, social media marketing, and paid ads help businesses get customers. If you can learn how to bring traffic and attention to a business, you will always get paid. Second, graphic design. Think about it. Logos, thumbnails, branding, all the visuals that sell products. Every single online business needs good design. Third, coding. Learning to build websites, apps, or create automation scripts is a massive skill. It opens doors to opportunities all over the world, and it pays extremely well. Fourth, content creation, videos, blogs, short-form content. Attention is the new currency, and content creators are the ones who know how to earn it. And finally, number 5, social media management. Brands will literally pay you to grow and manage their pages. Consistency plus a good strategy equals real income. Let me give you a quick example. Take my friend John. He started as a complete beginner with no online experience. He decided to focus on just 2 things, SEO and content creation. He committed fully for 30 days. He built a simple website. He learned how to optimize his content, and he started to rank on Google for specific keywords. Within that first month, he started earning his first dollars through affiliate marketing. It wasn't luck. It was pure focus and learning the right skills. So, to recap, the 5 skills are digital marketing, graphic design, coding, content creation, and social media management. You don't need to learn all of them. Just pick one. Commit to it for 30 days. Execute daily. That is how real online income starts. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 skills would you learn first? Comment below and let me know. And if you want more real, no fluff strategies on making money online, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.